all you peoples, give ear, all you inhabitants of the world, both sons of Adam and sons of men, rich and poor together. My mouth speaks wisdom, and the meditation of my heart brings understanding. I incline my ear to a parable. I expound my riddle on the lyre. Why should I fear in the days of evil, when the wickedness of my supplanters surrounds me? Those who are trusting in their riches, and who are boasting in their great wealth. A brother does not redeem anyone at all, neither give to Elohim a ransom for him. For the redemption of their lives is costly, and it shall cease forever, that he should still live forever, not see the pit. For he sees wise men die, the foolish and the ignorant both perish, and shall leave their wealth to others, their graves or their houses forever, their dwelling places to all generations. They call lands after their own names, but man does not remain in esteem. He is like the beasts that perish. This way of theirs is folly to them, yet their followers are pleased with their words. Selah. Like sheep they shall be laid in the grave. Death shall shepherd them, and the upright rule over them in the morning, and their form is consumed in the grave, far from their dwelling. But Elohim redeems my being from the power of the grave, for he receives me, Selah. Do not be afraid when a man becomes rich, when the wealth of his house increases. For when he dies, he takes none of it. His wealth does not go down after him. Though while he lived, he barak himself, and though they praise you when you do well for yourself, he has to go to the generation of his fathers. They never see the light. Man who is rich yet does not understand shall be like the beasts, they shall perish.